Let's make the Kraken Alexander. To make this drink, I'm going to start with heavy cream. 1 ounce of heavy cream, 30 milliliters. The recipe also says you can use oat milk if you'd like, but I have heavy cream, so that's what I'm using. Oh, I'm sorry, 1.5 ounces. Get it right, Jared, get it right. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. 1 ounce of crème de cacao. Now they don't specify whether brown or white, but I'm using white because that's what I have. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And the Kraken black spiced rum. We're going to put in 1.5 ounces, which is 45 milliliters. Don't put my fingers in the loops. Add some ice, and give it a shake. I am going to double strain this into the glass, which is a cocktail glass. Some people call them martini glasses. And no garnish. This is it. Kraken Manhattan. No, Kraken Alexander. Drink with good spirits.